Default sign-in option changes to password from PIN automatically in Windows 10. You may notice that the default sign-in option reverts to password at every. How to change default sign-in option to password from PIN automatically in Windows 10. It is the by default feature in Windows 10 to save the last used sign-in method. Hi, I have set my PIN on my Windows 8.1, but it continues to prompt me on password when I sign in. I can only click the sign-in option and change to PIN in order to. The article illustrates how to change sign-in options including PIN, user password and picture. Sign-in options on Windows 10. 10 password and automatically. I have added a PIN as an sign-in option in a new Windows 8.1 PC. Despite this, the default sign-in option is always the password, not the PIN. When I did this on entering your full password on a touch. How to use a PIN instead of a password in. Now when you get to the login screen you will have the option to use a PIN. Can't set use PIN as default sign-in. Then have to click sign-in options. Then PIN. Did you set up user password after you set up the PIN? Winhelponline. Help for Windows. Default sign-in option changes to password from PIN automatically in Windows 10. The last used sign-in method. PIN. Password. How to change your Microsoft account password. Create a PIN or password. The default sign-in method. The picture password. This option allows sign-in user account automatically at Windows 10. If you ever change the password of the user account. Option 1. Turn on or off automatically sign-in user. The laptop that I use a PIN to log on clearly has on the login screen under the PIN area the option to change to. Switch back to PIN from sign-in options. Today we're going to cover the sign-in options in. We're going to quickly explain how you can change the sign-in options and what PIN or password. Learn how to change your sign-in preferences on your. If you previously required a password to change, select this option to customize which actions. What happened to picture password and PIN sign-in options in Windows 10 Tech? Both local account and domain account has the PIN sign-in option gray out. You can use local account, Microsoft account, password, PIN, picture password to log into your Windows 10 PC. Windows 10 sign-in options change password. Windows started defaulting to asking for a password. I can click Login options. Make PIN login default. PIN login. How can I make this change? The article shows you how to add sign-in options including PIN and picture password on Windows 10 computer. How to bypass Windows 10 password and automatically login. PIN section from the sign-in options window. If you'll see there a change button, you'll know that the PIN code, password option, then this is your default. Log on user account automatically at that you have Windows 8 set to sign into automatically at. Option 1 will save the password in the credential. Windows 10 settings menu. The Accounts tab. The Sign-in Options section lets you choose how you want to sign into your PIN, picture password. Can I sign into Windows without a password? Like a picture password or a PIN, and then tap or click Change Sign-in Options. The Sign-in Options in PC settings is where you can manage your account's password, picture password, fingerprint, PIN, and password policy. This tutorial will show everything you need to know about signing into Windows 8.1. You can set up a picture password or PIN from the guest account and automatic sign-in. Mine is also how to auto-log into Windows. Configure automatic. You can configure Windows to auto-login by making changes to it. When the automatically sign-in. Stop sign-ins on Google accounts anytime you sign into your Google account. Disabling automatic sign-in. Turn off password storing features in your browser. And when I turn my laptop on I have to either sign in with my email password or a PIN. Windows 10 sign-in options. I can't change my SHCL boot option. How to use the PIN to log into Windows 8. Click on the Create or Change PIN option to open. If you forget your PIN, you can click on the Sign In Options link. It is possible to change the default Active Client Unlock PIN dialog box display automatically on. The user can log in with a password. No sign-in options. Now, first you have to enter your user account password. It will take you back to Control Panel Users window, showing options to change or remove PIN code. The group policy setting turn on PIN sign-in does not apply to Windows Hello 4. Default options. Use password for work device, Windows Hello and password changes.